This is the newly modernized freight service elevator at the Design Center in Bloomfield, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This was originally a Westinghouse freight with Peelle doors from 1958, black buttons, but now recently it has been completely modernized into a combination service elevator with 2-speed doors by Headrick with PTL VR2. I actually just got done talking with the Headrick guy who was out there, and he told me the reason why they replaced is the generator apparently burned up. I think it's on a Smartrise controller. I'm not sure. It might be some other controller. I got 2 opens on this side. I forgot. So there's storage go up to 7. It's not ThyssenKrupp or anything. Here we go up. I think it's Smartrise. Here we are at 7. I think it goes the same speed it was originally. I think the Headrick guy is still on 5, so let's go to 4. I think they were supposed to have rear door controls here, but they didn't install them. It's a basic gray Headrick style cab with the tray lighting. The alarm bell has a dot, but all the other ones have halos. Has the rubber umbrella. This is the first time I've seen Headrick use the VR2 style PTL. They used to use the Centurion Performer style. I think they still use Performer for non-VR. There used to be a 5 front opening, but they removed the 5 front opening. The 5 front opening was never used when it was still original. 4, I guess, opens here. Actually, they must have made the front side over here because the fire service is on that side. And the call button on this one used to be like there, but that's been completely filled in now. There it closes, and that's going to be it.